Mom, what are you doing?
Oh, Lily, I'm looking at my favorite dress. Something's wrong with it.
What's wrong?
Look here. The fabric is stretched and the shape looks odd. It's all distorted.
Yes, I see it. When did that happen?
I wore it last weekend to Aunt Mary's party. I think I sat down too much. Or maybe I washed it the wrong way.
Can it be fixed?
I hope so. I really love this dress. It's so comfortable and it fits me well. Well, it used to.
Let's take it to the tailor. He fixed my school skirt last month, remember?
That's a good idea. I'll take it tomorrow morning. Good morning.
Good morning, madam. How can I help you today?
I have a dress that needs fixing. It's become distorted.
Let me have a look.
Here it is.
Oh yes, I see. The fabric around the waist and hips is stretched. It's also lost some of its shape.
Can you repair it?
Yes, I can. I'll need to adjust the seams and perhaps add a bit of support inside.
Will it look the same?
It won't be exactly the same, but it will be close. I can make it look neat and wearable again.
How long will it take?
2 days should be enough.
That's perfect. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. Come back on Thursday afternoon.
Did the tailor say he can fix it?
Yes, he can. He was very kind and said he would reshape the dress.
That's great. You'll be able to wear it again.
I hope. It turns out well. I really don't want to throw it away.
You don't need to. The tailor is very good. I'm sure it will look lovely.
Thank you, love.
Hi, Lily. What's new?
Not much, oh. Mom's favorite dress got distorted, so we took it to the tailor.
Distorted? How?
The shape got weird after she washed it. It stretched around the waist.
Oh no, that's terrible.
I know, but luckily the tailor said he can fix it.
That's lucky! My mom once ruined a blouse in the wash. It became too tight to wear.
Yeah, clothes can be tricky.
I hope. Your mum's dress looks good again.
Thanks, me too.
Hello again.
Hello, madame. Your dress is ready.
Oh, I can't wait to see it.
Here it is.
Wow. It looks wonderful. You fixed the shape.
Yes, I adjusted the seams and reshaped the sides. I also reinforced the fabric a little.
It looks brand new. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Please, try it on at home, and let me know if anything feels uncomfortable.
I will. How much do I owe you?
£15, please.
Here you go. Thank you again.
Mom, is it done?
Yes, and it looks lovely. The tailor did a great job.
Try it on.
All right, give me a minute. What do you think?
It looks amazing. You can't even tell it was damaged.
It feels comfortable too. Just like before.
Now you can wear it to that dinner next week.
Absolutely. I'm so happy.
That's a beautiful dress, Mary.
Thank you. It had a little trouble last week, but it was fixed nicely.
Really? You can't tell at all.
A good tailor is a lifesaver.
Indeed.
Now we are going to focus on grammar side. First, you will see some conversation, questions and answers from previous story, and then we will discuss about grammar and vocabulary. So, let's start.
Mom, what are you doing?
I'm looking at my favorite dress. Something's wrong.
What's wrong?
The fabric is stretched and the shape looks odd. It's distorted.
When did that happen?
I wore it last weekend. I think I washed it the wrong way.
Can it be fixed?
I hope so.
Good morning. How can I help you?
My dress is distorted. Can you fix it?
Let me see. Yes. The fabric is stretched. I can fix it by adjusting the seams.
Will it look normal again?
Almost. It will look nice and wearable.
Thank you. When will it be ready?
In 2 days.
Did he say he can fix it?
Yes. He will reshape it and fix the seams.
That's great.
Hi, Lily, what's new?
Mom's dress got distorted, so we took it to the tailor. Oh, no, is it ruined? No, he's fixing it.
Good, I hope it turns out well.
Hello, is the dress ready?
Yes, here it is.
It looks perfect, thank you.
Please try it on at home.
Okay.
It looks amazing.
It feels great too.
Your dress is beautiful.
Thank you. It was distorted, but my tailor fixed it.
Wow, it looks brand new.
Grammar highlights. 1. Present continuous tense for actions happening now. What are you doing? I'm looking at my dress. Structure. Subject plus am is a plus verb. ing.
Examples.
She is cooking. They are playing. 2. Past simple tense for actions that happened before. I wore it last weekend. He fixed my skirt. Structure. Subject plus past form of verb. Examples. I washed the clothes. We visited the shop. 3. Can, can't, ability or possibility. Can it be fixed? Yes, I can fix it. Structure. Can plus base verb. Examples. She can swim. He can't speak French. 4. Future with will. Will it look normal again? I will take it tomorrow. Structure. Subject plus will plus base verb. Examples. I will help you. They will arrive soon.